Meaning of dress code.
Dress code.
Dress code.
Dress code.
Dress code. Dress code refers to a set of rules or guidelines regarding clothing and appearance that dictates what is appropriate attire for a specific setting or event. It can include requirements for formal attire, business casual attire, or uniforms, as well as restrictions on certain types of clothing such as revealing or provocative clothing. Dress codes are often put in place by employers, schools, or organizations to ensure a professional or appropriate image is presented, or to maintain standards of safety and modesty. Adhering to dress codes may affect one's access or acceptance into these settings.